Hi everyone, and welcome back to RYYZN Slay for another homemaking motivational video where we just get a bunch of different things done around the house to get you up, going, and motivated. Today we are cooking, we are cleaning, sharing my weekly grocery haul, then stocking up the kitchen cabinets, the fridge, the jars after the shopping. Also just making this home a nice place to live in. So if you're in need for some motivation to help you get up, get going on your house tasks, today's video is filled with tons of motivation. Let's just get right into it. I am starting in the living room just because this area was at its worst shape in the house at that time. So I'm going to make this place back in order, back to its comfortable state. I'm going to pick up everything, wipe the glass coffee table, and also vacuum up the crumbs on the couch and on the floors. To cozy up our living area, I'm going to light up this spring-smelling pineapple lily candle. Recently, I added those lights on the mantle to give this room a cozy little touch. And now I'm going to open up the windows for some fresh spring air, and then I'm going to vacuum the floors to complete the room. I've been loving having fresh flowers in the living room during this springtime. The ones I have in there now are starting to dry out, so I'm going to have to pick up some fresh ones from outdoors. We have a bush right in front of our house that is blossoming right now, so I'm going to cut up a couple of these. It's also a good way to just save some money. Go outdoors, find them. It's not too hard, especially not at this season or time of the year, at least not where we live. I wanted to get lunch cooked, ready, and out of the way for the day. I chose this really easy, delicious, quick lunch. It is a shrimp fried rice. I have all the ingredients right in front of me, all prepped and ready. You're going to need some shrimp, some already cooked rice, and make sure it's cooled completely, about 2 green onions, some vegetable mix, 3 eggs, salt, pepper, sesame oil, and some soy sauce. I'm starting by frying the shrimp completely. beating and seasoning the 3 eggs with salt and pepper. Once the shrimp is fried, I put that into a separate bowl. Then I used the same pan to fry the eggs, then putting those eggs into a bowl for later as well once they're cooked. Now we're going to need a larger pan. This is the pan that we're going to mix all of these different ingredients together to combine it. I'm putting some olive oil, the green onions, a little bit of sesame oil for flavor, salt, pepper, and then I'm going to fry all of this for about 5 minutes. In goes the vegetable mix, and gotta make sure these are completely cooked, so about 15 minutes. So after that is cooked, we're adding in the cold rice and making sure those are completely warm and cooked. And then it is time to add the soy sauce, and the soy sauce is all up to you, to how much you like it, and I like a good generous amount of soy sauce because I like a lot of flavor. So after that is cooked, we're adding in the shrimp and the eggs into the combination, and then we're mixing everything, making sure everything is nicely warm, and that is it. You turn off the stove and lunch is ready. So easy, so simple, so fast, and really, really good. Once lunch was cooked, ready, and out of the way, I wanted to start by tidying up the kitchen. The garbage needed a bag change and also a wipe down because it was really filthy on the outside. I also like to change the sponge and the towels in the kitchen every single weekend when I'm home from work, just to get a fresh one in, and I'm really not sure if it ever gets changed when I'm not around here. So I really feel like it needs to get changed when I'm home. Then I'm going to just clear the dryer rack by putting all the dry dishes away so I can start washing all of the dishes that have piled up from the cooking. I made too much rice, so I did have some leftover rice that I just put into a container that we can use later on. So I really try not to throw away food because it just makes me feel really guilty.
Sick and tired of feeling, so sick and tired of dreaming, 'cause I always wake up. Sick and tired of believing that this pain will never end. Oh, I've had enough. Cause it always comes back again, and I'm not even gonna pretend that it's okay. Constantly putting bad thoughts on replay. I really don't like living life this way, but I know that these things will never change. Tell myself to breathe in, but the darkness sun gets deep in, and this mind has got me thinking.
Lately, I've been feeling like I'm not able to keep up with organizing and just clutter buildup in certain areas in the house, like junk drawers, some cabinets, and closets. But, you know, as a working mom, full-time, and just regular cleaning and cooking, and then just being a mom to my 2-year-old, I really put that at my last priority because it does require like a large block of time to really sit down, declutter, and organize. I've just been feeling overwhelmed, and I think I really need to just declutter and organize and just get a good system again in this home.
Here we go again. You're my You're
Just got done grocery shopping for the week. I usually do grocery shopping weekly. This is all the food that I purchased, and I wanted to show you guys what kind of food we eat. I'm a working mom. I work full-time. I have a 2-year-old, and then Cody, he has a very different taste than I do, so we have a big variety of foods because I try to eat healthy, but it's really hard when Cody doesn't really like healthy foods. Stores that I shopped in today are Aldi's and Leonell. I'll just show you guys everything I got. So for me, I got some black bean salad, and this is really nice because it's fresh, and that's nice to bring to work. I also got some chickpea salad, also nice to bring to work some healthy, hearty food. You have to keep those refrigerated. This is from Aldi. I also got some hearty Italian vegetable soup. I'm such a lover of soups. These are nice to bring to work, and they're also nice when you come home and you want to eat something and you don't have anything cooked. You just warm them up and you have some soup. These protein meal bars, I like to bring them to work because they have 12 grams of protein, so they kind of keep you full. It's almost like a meal. They also taste really good. I don't think they're really that healthy, but I mean, they have a bunch of crap, but still, it's nice to have some protein and snacks. These are one of our favorite cookies. They are coconut macaroons, and I got 2 packs. They are so delicious. I love to eat them with tea, and Cody and Lily love them as well. Those are from Aldi's. Got some nuts. We always have raw nuts. So I got almonds, pecans, pistachios. They're raw and organic. And then these are cashews, walnuts, and macadamia nuts. So I get a pack of those and then I mix them all together. We always have those at all times. For more snacks, these are all the chips I picked up. Multigrain ones, organic. I got these because we like to eat them with hummus. We have some hummus in the fridge. And then I also got these kettle roasted garlic and sea salt, which are really good flavor. Nice crunch to have. Just picked up one. And then this is a bold and zesty, like garlicky, seasoned and onion. It's really good. Pretzels. These are really like our go-to. They're brown rice crisps. They're gluten-free, and they're like a healthier version chips, but they taste just as good as the unhealthy ones. Picked up these yogurts. They're plain, organic, Greek yogurt. I got 2 of them because me and Lily absolutely love eating them as a snack. We put honey in them, fruit to sweeten it. I love kosher dill pickles. I can eat these all day. It's healthy and it's just delicious. That's actually just for me. I got ground lamb to make chili because we have everything in the fridge for chili. Some uncured beef hot dogs. These have no nitrates or anything bad, so they're a little bit healthier than the other ones, and they're organic. These are from Aldi. We really love these just when we don't want to cook, and it's an easy kind of lunch. I also started eating these bonzo spaghetti. They're made out of chickpeas, so they're healthier. I actually don't mind how they taste. They don't taste like too weird how some of the other ones do when they're not made out of grains. So I'm gonna make something like mushrooms and spaghetti sauce, and then this. Of course, an avocado. I always have avocado for like eggs. We also picked up this salami. We love meat, jerky, and all that kind of stuff. It's just what we love in our family. Of course, some cheese for Cody and Lily because they're cheese lovers. Lily has been eating oatmeal lately, so I picked up some of these. They're like instant packs for her to have healthy oatmeal for breakfast. And then this is for a recipe along with the cabbage. It's gonna be like rice, tomato, and cabbage. It's like a Russian meal that my mom made growing up, and we like it in our family here. And then I got her some of these organic fruit punch juice. I don't like her drinking those too much, but I like to have them just in case we go hiking or something. And then these mandarins were on sale, so I picked up one of those. potatoes. We always have bananas and always have the eggs. And then I always get some organic blueberries. Usually get 2 packs of those. I get 2 packs of these strawberries because Lily loves that. Some bread. Lily loves butter on it with honey. So like toast and hot dogs. And just gotta have some bread in the house. I try to get the healthier one. I feel like bread can't be ever healthy, but you know, it's organic. It has sprouted 7 grains. It's not the white one, so better version bread. Over here is the unhealthy section, but you know, when you're a working mom, gotta pick up some of these for your kids sometimes for those easy times. I just got some pretzels and nuggets. Try to get the healthier one, but this is the only one they had. Usually they have like a healthier version one, but I didn't see it today. And then this is something I picked up for the first time. I have no clue if it's good or bad. It just looked really good. I think I was hungry, so we'll have to see how that turns out. Some crab cakes. I'm a seafood lover, and we got a whole bunch of these empanadas, mini chicken empanadas. We love these. We go through them like crazy. They're easy and they're just not as unhealthy as like American ones. They don't have as much crap if you look at like the ingredients. Vinegar, because I always wash my fruit with vinegar. These drinks I love because I bring them to work. Flavored, carbonated, sparkling water. They have caffeine in them, so they give me a caffeine boost. And they also are carbonated and have like natural flavoring, no sugar. It's just something nice to have, cold and refreshing. And then of course, as a working mom, always gotta get the coffee. And Cody actually started drinking coffee lately, so he mixes milk with it. So I got him that. I think that's everything so far. This is usually what it looks like, a weekly grocery haul. Oh, and also I picked up these. They were $12.99, little glass containers, because I don't really use plastic wrap, so I have to put like fruit and leftovers in these, and I just broke a couple, so I had to pick up more. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I tried to eat, you know, as healthy as possible, but it's still life. You can't eat like 100% healthy, I feel like. Now I'm just putting away all of the food. I'm going to wash, prep, and then put the berries into containers as well so that they're ready to be eaten. That way, whenever we feel like eating them, we're not too lazy to clean and prep them, and they never go bad this way. For the glass containers that I purchased, I'm going to open them up and wash them really, really well so we can start using those. The last thing I always do after shopping is listing all of the meal options we have ingredients for to cook for the week onto my erase board so we don't forget about it and nothing goes bad in the fridge this way.